guys, today we're gonna make brownies. We're gonna start with our melted butter and our sugar. Ooh. And now we mix it. It's gonna be a little thick, but if you keep mixing it, it'll come out great. Now we're gonna put the cocoa powder. Let's give it a mix. Now we pour in the vanilla. Now we're gonna set it aside and crack our eggs into separate containers so you don't get any shell. Now that we got our eggs cracked, we're gonna pour them in. And now mix it. We like brownies in this house, and we actually did a couple videos with brownies. So if you follow me, check them out, okay? My favorite brownie video is my pizza brownie. Now we pour it in the flour little by little. This is looking great. It's okay you make a mess, but just clean up after. Now we pour in the chocolate chips. These chocolate chips are optional. You can put marshmallows or walnuts. Your choice. See, now this is what you want it to look like. Now we're gonna pour it into the dish. Pour it into the dish. Once it's all in your dish, use your spatula to flatten it out. Now that it's in our dish, you're gonna put it in the oven at 325 for 20 minutes. Looks great, like cool.